Once you step on board, the clock starts. Smart cruisers know exactly what to do, and they do it fast. Before the crowds settle in, they secure the best dining, the best spots, and the smoothest week possible. Here are the 14 genius moves cruisers make the moment their feet hit the deck. 1. Complete the muster drill immediately. Smart cruisers do not leave the muster drill hanging over their heads. They complete it the moment they step on board. I treat it as clearing the very first obstacle so that the rest of day one feels open and calm without unnecessary stress. When you head there early, the decks are quiet, the crew is relaxed, and scanning in takes no time at all, allowing you to avoid the crowded rush that occurs just minutes before sail away. Whether it is an e-muster or a short in-person check, completing it immediately saves your entire afternoon and gives you a sense of control. The sooner you finish, the sooner your vacation truly begins, allowing you to fully enjoy every moment without distractions or lingering obligations. 2. Inspect the cabin before unpacking. The natural instinct is to start arranging your things and settling in immediately, but I always pause to do a careful inspection of the cabin first. Spotting any issues before unpacking ensures that maintenance or the crew can fix them while there is still time and no pressure to act quickly. I check the air conditioning, lights, balcony door, television, outlets, shower pressure, and the ambient noise level. Spending these few extra minutes prevents frustration that often arises later in the evening when staff may be busy with multiple requests. Reporting problems early almost always means they are resolved before sail away, creating a smooth and comfortable environment. This habit is a small investment in time that pays off throughout the week, ensuring the cabin is perfect from the start and that your experience is relaxed and stress-free. 3. Fix Wi-Fi and app login problems early. Ships are not yet full when you first board, which means the Wi-Fi team is more available. The cruise line app responds quickly, and troubleshooting is far easier without thousands of frustrated passengers in line. I connect to Wi-Fi, refresh the app, check all reservations, and ensure my key card or wearable device is fully synchronized with the system. If any glitches appear, guest services can resolve them immediately, which is much harder once the ship becomes crowded. Resolving connectivity and app issues early guarantees that you receive timely notifications about dining, showtimes, table readiness, and any schedule changes. Getting your tech set up right away makes the whole cruise run smoother and lets you enjoy meals, shows, and activities without any interruptions or problems. 4. Reserve dining, shows, and spa slots immediately. The most popular experiences on a cruise disappear faster than most people realize. I always secure dining, entertainment, and spa reservations immediately after completing muster because that is when prime opportunities quietly open up before the general crowd notices. Whether it is an early dinner, spa appointment, or front row seat for a headline show or specialty performance, this is the ideal moment to act. Even if you booked some reservations before, embarkation day often opens up better times or extra spots you couldn't get earlier. I treat the cruise app like a ticketing site, refreshing it, selecting the best options, and confirming them before they are gone. If the app fails, I head straight to the dining desk or guest services. Locking everything in early allows the rest of the week to feel effortless, leaving me free to relax and enjoy the ship without worrying about limited options. 5. Do a strategic walkthrough of the ship. While most people head straight to the pool or buffet, I take a slow, deliberate walk around the ship. This is when I discover hidden lounges, quiet corners, secluded hot tubs, shortcuts, and the most efficient walking routes between decks. I observe which elevators run slowly, where crowds tend to gather, and which cafes or casual dining areas have seating at different times of the day. Thinking of this first walk as a little adventure pays off all week because I quickly learn how to get around the ship easily. Knowing the layout early saves time, prevents unnecessary waiting, and allows me to enjoy spaces that others never find. It is a strategic advantage that ensures a calmer, smoother, and more enjoyable cruise experience from day one. 6. Take photos or a quick video of the cabin. Before unpacking a single suitcase, I take a slow, deliberate video or series of photographs of the entire cabin, including the bed, walls, drawers, balcony, bathroom, and storage surfaces. This isn't being paranoid. It's a smart way to protect yourself and have a clear record of the cabin's condition. Any stains, scratches, or loose handles are recorded, giving proof if there are any disputes at checkout. Additionally, the footage serves as a reference to locate items quickly later or remember where specific features are situated. Spending a minute capturing the cabin's details creates complete peace of mind for the week, ensuring that the environment feels secure, orderly, and fully under control from the very start. 7. Put up Do Not Disturb while settling in. Nothing interrupts the flow of unpacking and organization like an unexpected knock from housekeeping or maintenance. I always place the Do Not Disturb sign on the cabin door immediately upon arrival, creating uninterrupted time to settle in, organize belongings, and check the space thoroughly. Once I have completed these tasks, I remove the sign and allow the steward to conduct their standard routine. This small but deliberate action establishes privacy, a sense of control, and a calmer arrival experience. It also helps me feel as though the room is truly mine, offering a mental transition from boarding chaos to the comfort and routine of the cabin, setting a positive tone for the rest of the cruise. 8. Locate all hidden storage spots. Cruise cabins often hide clever storage spaces that go unnoticed by most passengers, and discovering them early makes the room feel significantly larger. I explore behind mirrors, inside ottomans, under the bed, above closet shelves, and throughout bathroom areas to locate any additional nooks. These spaces are perfect for shoes, chargers, sunscreen, swim gear, or bags. Once I am aware of every storage option, unpacking becomes faster and more efficient, and the cabin stays organized throughout the week. Assigning specific items to each space ensures that nothing gets lost or misplaced and that the environment remains uncluttered, comfortable, and functional, maximizing the enjoyment of the cabin from day one. 9. Scout the best seating zones early. Whether it is a quiet spot for sunrise coffee or a secluded lounger for sunset, prime seating areas are claimed quickly on the first day. I walk the decks carefully to identify shaded locations, calm corners, and spaces protected from wind and crowds. Aft views, hidden solarium areas, and tucked-away hot tubs become my preferred zones for relaxation. Many passengers do not find these spots until the third day, by which time they are already crowded. Securing them early feels like having exclusive access to private areas for the week. Early exploration guarantees a comfortable and peaceful environment where I can enjoy views, leisure time, and the tranquility of the ship without interruption. 10. Avoid the buffet for lunch. Embarkation day buffets are crowded and stressful, often resembling a chaotic food court. I avoid the buffet entirely and instead head to the main dining room or smaller specialty cafes, where service is calmer and food is freshly prepared. This choice sets a completely different tone for the start of the cruise, allowing me to enjoy hot, high-quality meals without juggling plates through crowds or searching for a table. Eating in a calmer environment establishes a sense of control and comfort and ensures that the first meal on board is a pleasurable experience. Skipping the buffet minimizes frustration, conserves energy, and allows for a more relaxed and enjoyable transition into the cruise experience. 11. Unpack with a simple system. Unpacking efficiently transforms a small cabin into a functional and comfortable living space. I create specific zones for daywear, swimwear, toiletries, electronics, and shoes, and I place empty suitcases under the bed to maximize floor space. This organization eliminates clutter, reduces stress, and ensures that essential items are easy to access throughout the week. A structured unpacking system allows me to start each day smoothly, prevents the buildup of disarray, and keeps the cabin feeling spacious despite its compact size. Spending a few minutes on thoughtful organization at the beginning saves substantial time and frustration later, allowing me to focus entirely on enjoying activities and relaxation during the cruise. 12. Introduce yourself to your cabin attendant. Taking the time to introduce myself to the cabin attendant immediately creates a friendly and cooperative relationship. I state my name, ask theirs, and mention preferences such as extra towels, ice daily, a softer pillow, or a specific turn-down routine. Talking to the attendant early lets them fit your requests into their routine, making your cabin more comfortable and convenient. Establishing rapport is not about demanding special treatment. It is about fostering cooperation that benefits both sides. A positive relationship ensures that small needs are met quickly, fixes are implemented efficiently, and the cabin remains a smooth, well-maintained base for the week's activities. 13. Set backup plans for weather or port changes. Cruises are subject to change due to weather, waves, or port cancellations, so I always plan alternatives on day one. If a beach day or excursion gets canceled, I already know which shows, spa treatments, or indoor activities I can switch to without stress. This proactive planning reduces frustration and maintains flexibility, ensuring that the day continues smoothly regardless of unforeseen circumstances. Thinking through backup options before they are needed creates a sense of control and readiness. Being prepared allows me to enjoy every moment of the cruise, shifting seamlessly between activities and locations without wasting time or energy reacting to last-minute changes or unexpected challenges. 14. Take a quiet moment to soak it in. After completing logistics and settling into the cabin, I always pause for a moment of reflection, whether on the balcony, at the railing, or in a quiet corner of the ship. There is something profound about the calm before sail away, the sense that everything is possible and the week ahead is wide open. Taking this brief moment to breathe, reset, and appreciate the shift into vacation mode grounds the experience and enhances enjoyment. This simple ritual is surprisingly impactful, creating mental clarity, focus, and calm that carries through the entire cruise. It transforms the boarding process into the meaningful start of a memorable journey. And just like that, you're already cruising smarter than most people on board. These small moves shape your entire vacation without you even noticing. If this helps you level up your next sailing, make sure you're here for the next one. There's a lot more every cruiser should know.